welcome in a quick specs comparison between the X20 Plus and L10s Ultra by Dreame. The first thing I wanted to share with you is that the Xiaomi Vacuum X20 Plus can't do carpets. So this is the first important thing. The second thing about the Dreame and the carpets is that it can do the really thin carpets, but when I was researching it, the Dreame has difficulty with the big carpets. So if you have carpets at home and they are thin, go with the Dreame. But if you don't have carpets at all, the X20 Plus can be beneficial. Now, when we first look here on the suction power, the Xiaomi is better here. So the Xiaomi is a winner. It got 6,000 comparing to 5,300. The battery capacity is same. The runtime is better for Dreame L10s Ultra. Dustbin capacity is the same. The water tank capacity is better for Xiaomi. It got 200 millimeters comparing to 80 by Dreame. Then the navigation system, you can have something like with AI for Dreame. I can't really say that it's better, but regards, and I was researching, it was better. So that's for Dreame plus point. Mopping function got the same. Automatic dirt disposal is the same. Noise level is really similar. It got noise level for the Xiaomi is about 60. For Dreame is about 58, 59. So it's a little bit better, but not much. Then obstacle crossing up to 2 centimeters for Dreame. So that's good if you have some obstacles. The height, the weight is similar on both. Then remote control, you can do it on both. App control, you can do it on both. Then also the charging time is 6 hours for Dreame. I couldn't get the information from Xiaomi, so that's better for Dreame. And then you can have advanced features like obstacle recognition is both for mopping and vacuuming, also on both. 2-in-1 automatic water and cleaning solution refilling. But then you're gonna have the advanced AI navigation with RGB camera for Dreame. That's better. So if you have thin carpets, if you don't mind that the Dreame got lower power and you're looking for some advanced AI navigation system, that possible Dreame is going to be better. But when we look here on the price, we can see that the Xiaomi is cheaper comparing to Dreame. That's interesting thing. And you can have even better suction power. And not only that, with the Xiaomi, you have also the better suction power and then better water tank capacity. So that can be beneficial. So I just wanted to make this quick video for you. I just hope it's going to be beneficial. I just really like to make these quick specs comparison videos. It just brings me joy. And I hope I gave you a little bit of value. I know there are not physical products that I'm comparing, but this is the thing that I like to do. So thank you very much. I hope it gave you value and have a great day and goodbye.